Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this visual kei look on Dresstoimpress. So I just did a custom makeup. You can do any custom makeup that you want. For the hair, I'm just going to be using this in black, as well as this one with just the bangs in black as well. Then we are going to go here. You do need VIP for this, but obviously you can style visual kei however you want. I'm just going to add this on the third toggle here, and I'm just going to color everything black like so. Then for the fit, we are going to use these sleeves, and then for the kind of like color neck, we're going to use this code item. So just color here, color the first one black, the second one white, and the rest in black. For the fit, we are going to use this because we do need like the corset part of it. I guess you can use this one, but the one that looks like the most corset is this one. So no fur and lace. Color the first one white in matte and the rest in black. For the back, I am going to use this in all black, but you can use any bag you want. And then for the skirt, I am going to be using this in all black. Maybe add a little white if you'd like to, just like on the lace. Then for the shoes, I'm going to be using this one in black and white. Wait, actually I'm going to do it all in black, sorry. I'll just make the first one like matte though, so you guys can like see the difference. Then for the necklace, I'm going to use the key necklace. And this one too, in all black. Just layer on a lot of necklace. I might layer this on too. Like that. And that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.